I hope you all are fine. In my last video, I told you how to start our work. I hope that you all have got your test notebook from school. Now I'm going to start from second chapter. I told you that the name of the second chapter is exponent and radical. Exponent and radical. Okay, now let's start how to begin. This is general formula. Base to the power exponent or index or power, all are same terms. Exponent, index and power. Base will be written in large figure, for example 2. That will be written in large figure, and its exponent, radical, exponent, index or power will be written in small figure, for example 2 to the power 3. So 2 is base and 3 is exponent or index or power, right? These are different examples. 4 to the power 3, like 3 is exponent and 4 is base. So you will do by doing the same pattern or same way. You will do question number 1 of exercise 2.2. In that exercise, question is write base and exponent. Just you have to tell the base or exponent, right? By keeping this general formula. Question number 1, part number 1. 7 to the power 15. Just you have to tell the exponent and base. So write base is 7 and exponent is 15. That is the answer. It's very simple and easy. Just you have to give right answer verbally, right? Base and exponent. Acha, base could be in negative also. For example, minus 189 to the power 10. So base is with sign. You have to tell with sign. Base is minus 189 and exponent is 10. Here base is plus 7. Here base is minus 189. Just give the answer with sign, right? If there is no sign, then it has plus sign. It is understood. So question number 1 will be done by this method. Okay, now done. Acha, now we are going to start. Now we are going to start laws of exponent, which are given on page number of your book, page number 36. Laws of exponent. Now most important are laws of exponent. You have already done laws of exponent, different laws of exponent already in grade 8. Number 1 law is law number 1. Law number 1. Law number 1 is when bases are same, in generally we can write as a to the power m multiplied by b to the power a to the power m and a to the power n. When bases are same in multiplication, when bases are same, power will be added. Its result will be a to the power m plus n. Powers will be added or exponent will be added. For example, its examples are 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 2. So its result will be write 2 one time and add their power 3 plus 2 in a small figure, which is equal to 2 to the power 5. base will be written in large figure or exponent in a small figure. Similarly, 4 to the power 3 multiplied by 4 to the power 5. So its answer will be 4 to the power 5 plus 3, 8. Like this. This is law number 1, right? Acha. This similarly law number 2. Done? Okay. Now law number 2. Law number 2. When bases are different, in generally A into B or A multiplied by B on the whole power is n. When we open it, its result will be A to the power m multiplied by or dot B to the power m. Follow these examples. 2 multiplied by 4 to the power 2. So we can write as 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 4 to the power 2. Or another example, A multiplied by or C multiplied by D to the power 3. So when apply this law, bases are different having same power. So when we apply the law, C to the power 3 multiplied by D to the power 3, or you can write as C to the power 3 into D to the power 3. Understood? Okay. Law number 1 and law number 2 have been done. So now we have another law, how to solve the base sign. Rule number 1. Now we have rule number 1. Rule number 1. If rule number 1 is if exponent is in even number, then its base sign will be positive or plus. This is rule number 1. If exponent is even number, then its base sign will be positive. Similarly, rule number 2. If exponent is in odd number, then its base sign will be negative. Right? For example, you copy down this. After I will give you can understand these rules according to the by using different types of examples. Okay?
Cut.
Now. Okay, now. Example. Suppose 2 to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 3. Base is minus 2 and its exponent is 3. Exponent is odd or even. Exponent here, exponent is in odd number. So its base sign will be negative. when we solve it. You can solve by using log, you can solve directly. Minus, its sign will be minus. How? Minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 minus, you will multiply minus 3 times. Minus multiplied by minus multiplied by minus. Result will be minus minus plus, plus minus minus. You can, by using law number 2, you can write directly. You can tell the its answer directly minus. Or solving, after solving you can same, you will get the same answer by applying law or by doing manually.
By
So
solving.
minus minus plus, plus minus minus, or if we apply rule, then we can get directly minus sign. Okay. Now similarly, example number, next example, suppose 4 to the power minus 4 to the power 2. Here exponent is even number, so its answer will be plus. Base sign directly will be plus. Just see the exponent. Exponent is in even number, then base sign will be positive. If exponent is in odd number, then base sign will be minus. Or after solving, minus multiply by minus 2 times minus. So minus minus plus. By using law and by manually, right? Is up to you. Okay.
Wait.